The birth of keyboard shortcuts in DOS.
ARI keyboard shortcuts began gaining popularity with the rise of DOS in the early 1980s. Early computers relied on typed commands for navigation and control, leading to the creation of basic shortcuts like Control-C for copy or Control-Break for interrupt. These early commands made it faster for users to navigate, edit, and automate tasks in a text-based environment.
Windows and Mac revolutionized shortcut use.
With the introduction of graphical user interfaces in Windows and Macintosh systems, keyboard shortcuts became essential. Both systems popularized combinations like Control-Z for undo and Control-V for paste. These shortcuts helped users perform actions quickly, allowing them to work faster and with fewer mouse clicks, becoming standard features for countless programs.
The rise of automation tools.
In the 1990s, utilities like batch files and macro tools emerged, enabling users to automate repetitive keyboard tasks. Programs such as AutoHotkey on Windows and Automator on Mac made it easier to create custom shortcuts and automate complex workflows. This brought powerful automation to everyday computer users, simplifying tasks and boosting productivity.
Keyboard shortcuts in modern productivity suites.
Productivity suites like Microsoft Office and Google Workspace expanded the scope of keyboard shortcuts. Features such as Alt-based shortcuts in Word and keyboard-driven navigation in Gmail let users manage documents and communication with remarkable speed. Built-in macro recorders further enhanced automation, making advanced tasks accessible even without programming skills.
Shortcuts and automation today.
Today, keyboard shortcuts and automation are deeply integrated into operating systems and apps. Tools like Windows PowerToys, Apple Shortcuts, and browser extensions empower users to customize their workflow. As digital workspaces evolve, these features are more important than ever for efficiency, accessibility, and productivity, highlighting a journey from simple commands to sophisticated automation.